Welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 9 to the power of x equals 18. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the log of both sides. So now we have log 9 to the power of x equals log 18. So if we have something in the form log a to the power of x, this is known as power property, and what it means is that we could actually move this exponent in front of the log, meaning this would also equal x log a. So I'm actually going to change log 9 to the power of x into x log 9. And this is equal to log 18. Now, if I divide both sides by log 9, these two cancel out, and I would get x is equal to log 18 over log 9 is the same thing as log 9 times 2 over log 9. And now if I distribute the log to both of these terms into parentheses, get x is equal to log 9 times log 2. And we are still dividing this by log 9. And sorry, this is actually a plus. So now this is equal to log 9 over log 9 plus log 2 over log 9. Now these two cancel out, so we get x is equal to 1 plus log 2 over log, and I'm actually going to replace the 9 with 3 squared. Now remember, we're going to use the same property that we used over here, and I'm going to move the 2 to the front. So I'm actually going to move it right over here. So if you plug in log 2 into the calculator, log 2 is actually equal to approximately 0.301. And log 3 is equal to 0.4771. So now if I plug in these numbers, we would get 1 plus log 2 is 0.301 over 2 times log 3, well, that would be 0.9542. Now, if you divide these two, you'd get x is equal to 1 plus 0.3154, and 1 plus this would be 1.3154. So this is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x equals 2 to the power of x plus 4. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this can also be written as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this property for 2 to the power of x plus 4. Think of 2 as a, x as m, and 4 as n. So this we could rewrite as 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 4. So x to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of x times 2 to the power of 4. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to the power of x. So for our right side here, these two cancel out, and we would just be left with 2 to the power of 4. And for our left side, if we have a to the power of x over b to the power of x, this can also be written as a over b to the power of x. So we have x to the power of x over 2 to the power of x. This can be also written as x over 2 to the power of x. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the power of 1/2 on both sides. Now if we have a to the power of m to the power of n, this is also equal to a to the power of m times n. So 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 1/2, well, what's 4 times 1/2? 2. So this would be 2 to the power of 2. And for our left side here, x times 1/2 is simply just x over 2. So we would have x over 2 to the power of x over 2. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, then this also means that a is equal to b. So think of x over 2 as a and 2 as b, meaning if we have x over 2 to the power of x over 2 equals 2 to the power of 2, this would also mean that x over 2 is equal to 2. Now, as you can see, we have a simple equation. We simply multiply both sides by 2. These two get canceled out, and we would have x is equal to 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 is our answer.